we see that mobile technology is continuing to advance, as we know, and it's surprising how few companies have mobile-enabled websites, not even just in pharma, but in general, that 80% of companies' websites are not mobile-enabled, which is really surprising, and there's no good reason why not. So we're going to take that back and see if we can lower that percentage. Well, I think there's a lot more use of video, and yet it's double-edged. There's a lot more use of video, but we could be doing a lot more anyway. So I think as broadband became more popular and video is available, and then through channels like YouTube, it's so much more accessible that video storytelling can be a great way to communicate a message, and that we've still been a little bit behind the curve in talking heads with video and not really as engaging as it could be. The guy from Doctor's Channel mentioned videos need to be short to be retained. I'm not sure I agree totally with that. I would like to see videos be really good and be a compelling story that I think people will watch longer than a bad story or a meaningless story or just a talking head like me. Just where if you really have engaged actors and stories and intrigue and a little bit of elegance and around you don't have to define everything very specifically. I think we can see video be even more compelling in the health space. It's funny because a lot more industries have regulatory or legal constraints than you might think. Pharmaceuticals tend to think we're so constrained we can't do anything, and then you find out the financial services have those constraints. Almost everybody has to run stuff through legal, but clearly a lot of the fashion companies do things really well. Nike, Starbucks, Apple, all the leaders that you normally would think of are doing things really well in the digital space because they engage with their customers, they talk to them in a different way, they get feedback, and they continue to promote a relationship that becomes more of a dialogue than just a one-way forced conversation.